the best in disposable toys.
Where's Brandon? There he is.
Is that right? Is that your house? Okay.
Oh, it's the best house ever.
It's nice.
Hi, there you are. Are you playing? Okay. There's Brandon.
You even have a porch. I know. Yep. Is that your house? Uh-oh. Need help? Okay. Bye.
I wonder where Brandon is. Is he in his house?
It's his own special lawnmower house.
Yeah. Hi.
What about Elmo? I don't know. Should I knock? Knock, 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 knock. Hello? Hello? Hi. How are you? Okay. Peace. You want me to go get Daddy? Okay.